Life is mostly force and bubble. Two things can't like stone. Kindness in another trouble. Courage in over own. Trust no future, however pleasant. Let the dead fast. Be right, eat that death. Act in the living present. How within and God overhead. Technological man has advanced incredibly, yet he remains as he has been for thousands of years, fighting, greedy, envious, burdened with great sorrow. Change in society is of secondary importance that will come about naturally inevitably when you as a human being bring about this change in yourself. The religious mind is a light to itself. Its light is not lit by another. The candle that lit by another can be put out very quickly. In Sanskrit, यस्य नास्ति स्वतः प्रज्ञा शास्त्र तस्य करोति किम लोचनाभ्याम विहीनस्तु दर्पणम किम करिष्यति. Seeing this vast fragmentation both inwardly and outwardly, the only issue is that a human being must radically profoundly bring about in himself life's first letter is love. L means love, L-O-V, love. Loveless is lifeless and loveness is lifeless. Equity and reality. Loveless cannot be put in word. Self's desireless, always welfare. Satyam Shivam Sundaram. Beyond property of nature, real love's describe his impossibility on lust mind. अनुभवी बिने सुख दुख को ही नोहे बचने. अनिर्वचनीय प्रेम स्वरूपम मुखस्पादन पद गुण रहित कामना रहित त्रिगुण गुण रहित कामना रहित नित्य प्रतिक्षणम वर्धमानम. ऑन डिजरनेस नेग्लिजिबिलिटी मीन्स फैक्ट, means of love, lack of sorrow, ocean of tear, valley of death and end of life. गीता को आ जाओ. We come to गीता. निर्माण मोहा जीत संग दोषा अध्यात्म नित्य विनिवृत्त काम द्वंद्वैर्विमुक्ता सुख दुख संगै गच्छन्त्यमूढा पदमव्ययं तद्. egoless, lustless, but companyless, all-time spiritual, desireless, conflicts, without confusion, religious minds, fast quality, harmonium between the mind, the body, and the heart. Sorrow and happiness and wise spiritual topmost wish who neat and clean. External and internality person really know. Get Almighty God, Supreme Soul, full peace home. And simply understand निर्माण मोहाजीत संग दोषा अध्यात्म नित्य विनिवृत्त कामा द्वंद्व विमुक्ता सुख दुख संगीर गच्छन्ते मूढ़ा पद्मव्यम तत्. इन अंग्रेजी अदर स्टाइल से दोज हु आर ट्रूली अनड्यूलिडस निस्संग, they keep clear of pride and delusion. Delusion means maya. Configuring the tent of attachment, nissang. Ever intent matters of the self, dropping all their selfish desire, they stray free of all dualities, द्वंद्वैर विमुक्ता, known as pleasure and pain, सुख दुख संगैहि, and to that unchanging रियल दे गो. गीता वाणी कृष्णाय नमो ब्रह्मणे देवाय गो ब्राह्मणे हिताय च जगत हिताय कृष्णाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः, गोविंदाय नमो नमः. जय जगन्नाथ, नमो नारायण, वैष्णवे नमः. हरि ओम तत्सत्, हरि ओम तत्सत्. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः. मे गॉड ब्लेस यू.